Hi friends, this video shows how to remove battery from Canon R50 camera. So first we have to make sure that camera is in off state. First I will show you how to insert the battery, then I will show you how to remove it. First we have to locate the battery slot. We can find battery slot in the back side of the camera. We have to open this cap. Here we can see lock and open. First you have to unlock and open the cap. This is a battery slot. So I am going to insert this battery LPE17. When you insert the battery, this label has to come this side. So this is the position. Let me insert it. We can just insert like this. There is a lever, see, then just push, done. Then close the cap, lock it, done. So this way we can insert the battery. Let me show you how to remove the battery. Again unlock and open the cap. Then here this is a battery. Here we can see one lever. This lever we need to push, pull. We have to pull down. See, then we can remove the battery. Okay, so this way we can insert and remove the battery. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.